Lovelies, this is what we're cooking today. So we're going to start by putting our oil. I'm also going to put butter here in my oil. Bit of salt. Then I actually let it brown on both sides for about 30 minutes. So which means about 15 minutes on each side. Okay, this is nicely done. I'm just gonna move it. Guys, I don't have water, so I'm saving the dishes. I'm using the lid to put them so long. I'm gonna be frying the onions and the tomatoes. Oh, the smell already. So we're going to put, this is one onion. Now I'm going to close, no, I can't close the pot because I'm using the lid. But if you're not using your lid, you can just close it because it will cook more faster. Okay guys, now we are going to come with my ginger and garlic and red chili mix. Guys, I make it here in the house, and I usually store in these things because I make a lot. Like maybe in a year I make 2 of these, so I make a lot of it. It just works out way cheaper than buying it. So I do have a recipe of how I make it on Alo's cooking channel on YouTube. Just check it out. I'm going to come with our 2 tomatoes. I'm also going to put tomato paste, not so much. This is about a tablespoon, or maybe slightly more, but that's it that we need. I don't usually use tomato paste for everything that I cook. So what I do right now, I'm just going to put in the plastic, put in my freezer whenever I need it, then I know it's fresh. I'm going to put bay leaf. I'm also going to add 1 black cardamom. This is black cardamom, paprika, about a teaspoon of paprika. Also my Martin flavored cube. This is cumin powder, garam masala. Bag my meat and carry on frying it for like further 10 minutes. Then I'll put the juice. Guys, did you hear that? Gee, I had something too. 3 cloves of garlic, or rosemary. Okay, I am going to add meat tenderizer, just a little, because we do want our meat must fall off from the bone. If you want, you must cook fast, you know. The last thing will be salt. Okay, and then we are going to add this cranberry juice, cranberry and apple. just enough to cover the meat. Made fire outside, so this is where this is gonna go. So we're creating thick soup with fried onions. So because I do not have there's no electricity, so this is what I'm doing, you know, without me putting flour or any thickening thing like your maizena. So I use this instead of that. Okay, I think that's enough. I can't really see how much I've put. Because I'm going to be busy cooking, I don't want to be burning this. I'm just going to add a little bit of water, but it's really not necessary. Let's say if I was putting this inside the oven, this water will be enough, but I don't know how. Yeah, I'm coming to see. Bismillah. Yeah.
Okay.
Want to put it inside?
Yeah.
Okay, put it.
I want to help you too.
You want to help me?
Yes.
But you're gonna get burned if you help me. You want to get burnt?
No.
Mama is being careful, you can see, ne? Yeah, I see my love. So this is it. We're making it here. Okay.
And you need the egg.
So when I boil my potatoes, I like to put salt, but I put really less salt because I'm still going to put aromates after that. Okay guys, today, oh god, I'm all over the place. So what I didn't show you putting here was almonds. I put crushed almonds. I also put condensed milk. And yeah, this is ready. I would have loved to boil it more, but I'm out of time now. And I'm also making this. This is it's chicken korma, because I feel like it's not enough what I've cooked already. Always have extra person coming in. Super delicious. You just need to follow the instruction as it's written here, and you will get the best results ever. So now what I didn't put here, it also requires almonds. I think actually this is the secret to chicken korma, the almonds. It just takes it to another level, and cream too. So I'm just gonna make it simmer for some time. Now I'm going to start with roti. What is left is just roti and this mashed potato. Our lamb shank is almost done outside. I'm actually using best before 24 May cream, so I'm really just hoping 24 May, no, 24 May, it's not far. Today's 26, oh okay, but I bought it a week ago, so that's why I'm like, oh, I hope the taste will remain the same. So now I'm just gonna let it simmer until my chicken is fully done inside. Voila, this is the easiest chicken curry ever. Oh my god guys, it's sticking down. It is sticking down now, but I think we are there. We are almost there. I still feel like with more time, guys, today it's been another day, like really no water, no electricity. So I think, yeah, we are almost there. Just gonna leave it for like 10 minutes. Got burnt a bit, but I hope the taste is still the same. So you see the gravy like consistencies, it's all because of the onions that I put earlier on. Let's taste. It looks good. It looks really good. Although it's a bit burnt, but it looks good. You guys, potatoes are actually done, but they are still on the stove. The fire is also still on. Just want to mash them. One thing about my mash, I don't like to complicate things. Like seriously, when it comes to mash, the simpler the better for me. So I just put milk, put butter now. Now I'm putting aromat. Okay guys, this is where my cooking is ending today. Thank you so much for watching, and the meat was absolutely delicious, and you can see it's falling off from the bone. Thank you for watching. I will see you on my next upload. Bye bye.